today we'll see package, how to work with package, how to create a package in Java, and so we'll understand package keyword. So there is a package keyword which we use in Java programs, and that's the first line of the our source code if we are using package. So we'll see what is the Java lang package. Even there's a number of packages we are having in Java, like java.lang package, java.util package, java.sql package. So uh, here we'll see how to create our own package. These all are the inbuilt package we are having. So here we'll understand how to create a new package and how to create own package and put the classes interfaces in that and bundle it. So let us have a glance over that. So package is a grouping of related types providing access protection and namespace management. So note that types refers to classes, interfaces, enumerations, and annotation types. So we can have in a package we can put this and this and this. Okay, so we can put it together and we can bundle. So we can say these are the types we can store. And the enumerations and annotations types are special kinds of classes and interfaces respectively. So types are often referred to this relation simply as a class and interface. So here we'll see how we can bundle the class and interfaces to the package. The types that are part of the Java platform are members of various packages that bundle classes by function. Fundamental classes are in Java lang, okay. Classes for reading and writing, so we are having Java IO, and for util stuff, so we are having java.util. For database connections, let us say we can understand we are having java.sql dot. So we say star. So star represents the all the classes inside this package, okay, and so on. So you can put your types in package 2 here. Okay, so why we should create package? See, we are having number of classes, we are having number of interfaces. So let us say you develop 100 class file or 100 interfaces you just develop. So where you will keep? You will keep somewhere like some folder, and you might be thinking how to organize it, how to put this class in this number of class. Let us say 5 class belongs to something, so put it in the separate folder. Another 10-20 class belongs to something, so we'll put it in the separate folder, right? So that is what we are having, a grouping of classes in different packages. So we create it. If you remember, if you have worked with the C++, there you are calling the header file like connew.h, stdio.h. So what do you think? Why we need to include connew.h? Because you are, let us say, want to use strcat. Sorry, there's a one string.h also, right? So there we are having strcat, strcpy, and str len kind of methods or functions we are having. So we need to include the header file like a string.h. If you want to clear a skin, you are having say connew.h. So similarly, on the basis of our requirement and uses, what we are doing, we are classifying our classes and interfaces in different packages, I mean in different folders. So suppose you write a group of classes that represents graphic objects such as circle, rectangle, lines, and point. You also write an interface draggable, and that class implement if they can be dragged with the mouse. So develop all these classes. Now, so let us say you have made this much classes here, circle, a rectangle, and point, and line, and all. Okay. So if you're making this much classes, now there are several reasons to bundle this class and interface in a package. Like you and other programmers can easily determine that these types are related, right? So that's what I said. If you want to, if you use strcat, strlen, what do you do? You just include a string.h, right? So in Java we have a package not a header files. Like in C sharp, we are having namespace. So all these are the same concept. We are bundling the some classes and sometimes some functions in the some libraries, and we are giving sometimes we are saying header file, sometimes we are saying that it is a uh, package, sometimes we are saying it is a namespace. It all depends on the languages what we use. So you and other programmers now uh, know where to find types that can provide graphics related functions, right? So the names of your types won't conflict with the types names in the other package, because the package creates a new namespace, and you can allow types within the package to have unrestricted access to one another. It still restrict access for types outside the package. Okay, now so these are the reasons. Now we talk about the creating a package, how to create a package. So for creating a package, you choose a name for the package and put a package statement on the top in the your source code. Okay, so there's a package statement. You can write package name and semicolon, and so it must be the first line. There can be only one package statement in the each source file, and it applies to all types in the file. Package names are written in all lowercase to avoid conflict with the names of class or interfaces. Okay, so just have a more stuff here. So consider these are the classes you are having, say uh, draggable. So okay, we are making one package here, and that package is what graphics, right? So suppose this interface belong to package graphics. This class abstract class belong to the package graphics. So like that, we are putting all these classes in what? In a package. So you can look all these classes, we have just say package graphics. If you're having all these classes declared in the one file, so you can have a one line only package graphics, and otherwise you have to write everywhere the package name. Okay, so this is a way just to make a package in your code, just to write this line package name. What it will do, this class which you have created line will be created in the one folder, and that folder name is what? Graphics. Package is nothing but it is a folder name. So we are organizing all the class in certain folders. Okay, uh, let us understand this way also. Let us say you are in C drive or anywhere, you are having some certain number of files like movies files, songs file, document files. What do? Do you keep all the files together? No. You create some folder, right? You create movie and then store all the movie files there. You create a song and you keep all the song files there, right? You create a doc file or my favorite doc file something, and then you keep all the documents there. Why we do that? So that you can access easily, right? And by just looking the folder, you can come to know what are the files inside. So same things we are doing here also. Okay, just we are creating some class and we are putting in some package. That is that what will happen in this package, whatever we are writing this line here, that folder will get created by that name automatically, or you can create. If you create a folder package name means graphics folder, and you can put the class there, then it is fine. Otherwise there is a command which will help you to make a package with or organize this. So we can manually organize, or it could be with command and all. So using package members, the types that comprise a package are known as the package members. Okay, to use a public package member from outside its package, you must do one of the following: refer to the member by its fully qualified name, import the package member, import the member's entire package, like that. So you can call one member, you can call all members. It all depends how you are importing it, right? So, but you have a facility to import entire package at a time. So it is appropriate for different situations as explained in the section below. referring to a package member by its qualified name. So let us understand this one. You can use a package member simple name if the code you are writing is the same package as that member has been imported. Now, however, if you are trying to use a member from different package and then package has not been imported, so you must use the member's fully qualified name, which includes the package name. Here is the fully qualified name for the rectangle class declared in the graphics package. Like we created class rectangle and then graphics, right? So what we are doing here, how we are referring this rectangle class? We are writing graphics dot rectangle. This is called fully qualified class name. Okay. And we are creating object for that, and then we are saying new graphics dot rectangle. So it means this rectangle class is in a graphics package. Okay. But if you are importing the graphics, what you can do here, directly you can mention like this somewhere. But if you are importing somewhere, so what you can write, you are saying here import graphics rectangle. So first on the top you are importing the class, so you can write directly rectangle r equal to new rectangle. Okay, you need not to prefix the package name here because already you are on the top, you are saying import. Okay, now another way is what, if you are using that one class, single class, you are just saying import graphics dot rectangle. So I was using a rectangle, right? But now if we talk about this guy, import graphics dot start, what it mean? We are importing all the class under from this package, right? And later we are just using it, circle c equal to new circle, rectangle r equal to new rectangle. Okay, so we can use this asterisk for importing all the class from that package. Okay, so look at this one. For example, the following does not match all the class in the graphics package that begin with a. So it does not work. You should not write like I want a class from a starting from a. So you should not use that. Only we have to use stars and all, right? Now next we'll talk about the package access. What is that? So as we know, like we are having public, private, and protected, and no modifiers, right? So how we can use that, and what is the accessibility for that? If you can look at here. So let us say you're having two packages. Consider I have a package, one is the P1, second is the P2. In P1 I have some classes, and P2 also I have some classes. Okay. Now in this case, same class. So consider in this folder, in this package, whatever the classes we are having, that can access. So if it is a private data, we can use from the same class. If it is no modifier, we can access it. If it is protected, we can access. If it is public, we can access, because we are using in the same class. So full accessibility is there, right? But if we talk about the same package subclass, so suppose I have one class ABC and there is a PQR, and this PQR is the subclass, or not subclass, some other class in the P1, I mean package 1. So what will happen? I won't be able to access the private data here. Okay, I won't be able to access the private data, but rest we can access. If it is default, default means it is in the same package, so anyone can use in the same package. Okay, they cannot access in the other package. Same package non subclass, suppose in this package I have some other non subclass x by z, which is a subclass of ABC. So again, we cannot access private, but we can access no modifier, protected and public. Now what will happen in this package 2? If package 2 is having some RST class and that class is extending ABC. So we can say different package subclass, right? Then I cannot access private data of this class. I cannot access the no modifier because no modifier means it is in the same class only. So I can only access protected and public here in my package 2. What about the different package non subclass? Different package means P2. Consider here non subclass. So there is some other class. So what will happen? In that case, I cannot access private data. I cannot access no modifier means default. Protected also we cannot access. We cannot access here. Okay, only I can access the public member. Okay, so we'll see now.